What's going on, guys? It's Kai. On this channel, we talk about all things stocks. I upload 3 times a week on this channel, so if you are new, hit that subscribe button. Just letting you guys know I'm not a financial advisor, but everything I bring you is straight facts. So let's jump into the video. Today, we're going to be looking at Vision Lithium, ticker symbol ABEPF. We are super early to this one, guys. I don't think there's many watchers in the forum. I found this one, I stumbled across it, and this is a gold mine, and I'll let you guys know why it's insane in the evidence now. So let's take a look at the company. Vision Lithium. Vision Lithium is a junior exploration company focused on exploring and developing high-quality battery mineral assets, including lithium and copper, in safe jurisdictions, primarily Canada. The company is led by skilled and qualified mineral exploration and business professionals with a deep understanding of lithium battery material market, which is driven by lithium-ion batteries. Vision Lithium is committed to discovering new world-class assets and bringing these assets to production, starting with its flagship projects with the Cermak lithium property and the Dome Lemex copper property, both located in Quebec, Canada. Nemaska Lithium is the largest shareholder of Vision Lithium, and as such, Vision Lithium benefits from Nemaska Lithium's leadership role and years of experience in the lithium market. So we just take a quick brief overview of actually the properties that this company has, where they're looking to find this material and what they kind of hold as assets in their company. So they have a brand new one called the Brunswick property, 100% undivided interest in Redbrook epithermal and Benjamin mineral exploration properties from 9,248 to 7,792 Quebec Inc. and Prospect Ore Corporation. The 3 contiguous properties comprise 17 mineral claims covering 4,760 hectares, located approximately 60 kilometers west of the mining center of Burhurst in northern New Brunswick. So in total, they actually have 4 mines that they're actually working on as of now, and I'll just go into a little bit more detail. Cermak property consists of 24 mining claims having a total area 1,100 hectares, located approximately 180 kilometers northwest of, I'm not going to say that. And then they have Dome Lemex, I'm gonna say that one either. Right here, they have 12,056 hectares, and they also have a mine in St. Stephens. This company has 4 mines, and they have a lot of area that they're covering. And typically with these mining companies, that you actually find the assets to liabilities are through the roof because they've got so much asset, they've got so much property, so much land that they can actually cover. But the way this gets profitable and the way this makes money is if the company finds good stuff within this land, right? The minute they mine something that is worth of value, we read here that they actually mine gold, silver, copper, they mine lithium, they're mining the whole job lot. And if they find something pure and actually good, this is when the stock price, you'll see a gain, because obviously they're finding really valuable items, and you will see the assets of the land actually increase. So we're just going to take a look at the stock price and where that's sat at. So we look at the monthly chart. In January 13th, we were sat at about 4 cents here, and we kind of resided until all the way of February the 8th. And then out of nowhere, we saw a massive boom that's rode all the way up to highs of 59 cents, and it's kind of residing now at about 46 cents. They have a market cap of $84 million, and then the average volume of shares being traded at the moment was 1 million, but now they've kind of gone up to 11 million. So they've had a huge increase of people being more aware of this company and finding this. And actually, I'll go into the evidence of why they've come onto this. This video is a little bit shorter because there's not as much evidence stack up. But the first bit of evidence is the fact that Vision Lithium actually completed their first tranche of private placement for gross proceeds of $783,000. Vision Lithium is pleased to announce that it's closed the first tranche of its non-brokered private placement previously announced on November 18th, 2020 and December 17th, 2020. The first tranche consisted of 39 million units of company at a price of 0.02 cents per unit for aggregated gross proceeds of $783,000. Each unit consists of 1 common share of company and 1 common share purchase warrant, with each warrant entitling the holder thereof purchase at a share price of 5 cents per share for a period of 3 years following the closing of the first tranche. This is good news, that the fact that they've got, someone coming in and offering them that money, and they've got $783,000, and they're kind of promising them that price of 5 cents per share. Obviously this is skyrocketed from then, and we'll get into the evidence of why it's skyrocketed like that, but this kind of gives them some excess cash and a bit of backing and a bit of foundations to kind of go off. The big lithium player at the moment is ABML. ABML is the kind of one that people like to go off because this one's skyrocketed and it is still growing and it's still climbing, and they're doing a lot of good things. So what they've actually done done is it's taken a piece of evidence. We've compared Abepf, which is Vision Lithium, have compared to ABML. Abepf total assets have $13.79 million, total liabilities of $513,000, with a net income of negative $338,000, with a debt to asset ratio of 3.72%. ABML have the total assets of $1.16 million, with liabilities of $6.1 million, with a net income of negative $13.32 million, with a debt to asset ratio of 524%. As a whole, like you look at ABML's kind of debt to asset ratio and where this company is kind of sat at, I think, this one could definitely have a bit more potential and could definitely grow a bit further. And ABML, skyrocketed up to $3 to $4, which are huge gains. But this one is an early one. Like, I'm making this video super early. So what they've actually came out as of February the 11th, which is a few days ago, they actually came out and found 99.9% pure lithium. So we'll just read the sort of start of the article here. Vision Lithium is pleased to announce that it's produced lithium carbonate grading at 99.9%, derived from lithium concentrate made from its 100% owned Sumac lithium property at SGS Canada Incorporated at the Lakefield Laboratory. SGS also produced lithium concentrate sample grading at 6.2% lithium, which was used as a starting point for the lithium carbonate. The Sumac property is located approximately 200 kilometers south of Whabouchi lithium mine and 180 kilometers by road northwest Quebec. It consists of 35 mining claims covering approximately 1,575 hectares. The fact that they've found 99.9% pure lithium is insane. Like, this is a really big win. And with the electric vehicle area that's absolutely booming, we've got Neo, Lucid Motors, we've got Tesla, we've got all of them that rely on lithium, and lithium batteries will be a big play for us, especially with like Biden in America's coming in. He said he wants a lot of the cars to be electric and that everyone wants to go greener and save the environment. These lithium plays, I think, could definitely be a long-term play. In terms of what my play is and what I'm doing, I got in at 45 cents. That's the price that I got in. So I've kind of got in on its climb, and I bought 1,000 shares at 45 cents. What my short-term goal is within like the next sort of 6 months, I can see the stock going to about $1.50. We've seen this with Resef. We've seen this with quite a few stocks that have kind of boomed up, but then they do typically always dip down. So what my plan is, I've got in at this sort of price now where it's a bit early and not many people have cottoned on. And what I do is I try and ride it to a bit of a higher price. I'll probably sell at the higher price and I try and repurchase back at a lower price. That's the kind of way I go. Or alternatively, long term, I can even see the stock in the next 1 to 2, maybe even 3 years, if they continue to get some good finds. They've got the lithium, depends on how much quantity they've got. I can see the stock going to anywhere from about $3 to $4 long term. I can definitely see that happening. And that's quite a reserved approach, I think. So, even long term, to hold this into my portfolio, I think this will be really awesome. Ultimately, a really great stock. It's a really great find. It's really small at the moment. I'm just trying to raise some awareness and make you guys some money with this stock. So I think, yeah, we'll definitely see a good swing on this. And if we was to hold this long term, I don't think it'll do your portfolio any harm. Thanks for watching this video. Leave it a like if you enjoyed it. Drop in the comments if you've got any news and let me know what price and how many shares you guys got. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.